When a customer comes to your repair facility, whether it's for a tire replacement, tire rotation, or TPMS-related concern, it's important to get their information, then do a quick system check before doing any work. This extra effort in the beginning will help you explain any potential damages later and, most important, ensure that your customer is pleased with the service experience. The first thing to do is to perform a bulb check. To do this, simply turn the ignition key from off to run. If there are no errors, all of the warning lamps on the dash should come on and then go off in approximately 5 seconds. If the bulb stays on solid, the TPMS system is indicating that one or more tires has an inflation error. Some vehicles, such as this Chevy Traverse, give an additional message indicating the position of the fault, provided the previous service provider performed a relearn. In the case of a low tire, the technician will check the placard on the vehicle to find the recommended pressure. The technician should then air up the tire to the recommended pressure and ensure that the warning lamp went out. Next, he'll want to repair the cause of the leak. When doing a bulb check and the warning lamp is flashing, the flashing lamp indicates that there is a fault with the TPMS system, whether it's a sensor, receiver, or module. The technician will need to use a tool to either retrieve diagnostic trouble codes from the vehicle or use their TPMS tool to attempt to read each sensor. For more information on these procedures, refer to our additional videos on our YouTube channel. We have assembled a convenient inspection sheet for you to use with your customers. The sheet allows you to document the vehicle before and after it's in your bay for service. It includes spaces for you to add customer-specific information, check boxes for the bulb check, make notes while doing a visual inspection of the valve stems and tires, and document TPMS ID numbers, pressures, and any DTCs when the vehicle comes in and goes out. At the bottom of the sheet, you can check off that you performed the relearn procedure, as well as indicate the type of relearn that's required for this particular vehicle. This sheet can be scanned to be added to the customer's account information, and a copy can be given to the customer for their personal records. This will show them the work you've done as well as document it for future reference. The final step of any tire or TPMS-related work should be to perform a Tpms Relearn. This will ensure that the correct ID numbers are stored in the proper location, and in the event of a future fault, it will indicate the correct position to the driver and next repair technician. Once the work is completed and the money is collected from the customer, it's helpful to use this sheet to explain to them what work was completed and remind them that the relearn was performed so that they can feel safe driving, knowing that their TPMS system is functioning and reporting properly.